Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a skincare routine video, and for this video I'm going to be using some products I have never used before. So if you would like to see the products that I used for this video, please keep on watching. For my face wash, I'm using the 101 Clinical Skincare Ultra Gentle Cleansing Wash, and this one is for all skin types. It is gentle, exfoliating, and it also enhances skin barriers. Now I'm going to rinse that off quickly. For my face mask, I'm using the Slay Queen face mask. I'm going to leave the details of the products that I'll be using on the screen so you guys can see where they're from and what they do. This one is a organic face mask. It has tree tea oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, Canon clay, and aqua. It also has vitamin E and bentonite clay inside of it, plus rose water and some other good stuff. I'm applying this all over my face using the scoop that was given to me. I'm going to wait for about 10 minutes for this to dry, and once it is dried up completely, I'm going to rinse my face. Now I've rinsed my face and I'm going in with this serum. It's a skin perfecting serum from Lewa as well, the same brand that has the clay products that I use, the clay mask. And I'm just massaging this all over my face. I'm going in with the 101 Clinical Skincare Ultra Sheer Antioxidant Sunscreen Spray. This one has SPF 50 plus, and it doesn't leave any white residue. So I'm just spraying it on my face and I'm going to massage that into my skin. It's also good for acne prone skin like my skin. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.